Hey, today we are gonna create a phone poster. Don't skip the video because I will show you how to add your own fonts in Canva. Let's get started. Firstly, upload the photos. The benefit of adding photos first, you get the color recommendations. Change the background color. Remove the background of the images. Adjust the images. Go to element section and add square shape. Now select the shape and change the color from the photo's color recommendation. Follow my process. Now I will show you how to add external fonts in Canva. Go to the Google Chrome and search for the fonts you want to add. Download the fonts in your laptop or PC. Now open Canva brandkit and here you get the fonts option. Tap on the title. Upload the fonts, add new and select fonts and open those. You will see your fonts in Canva's fonts list. thoughts in the comments if this was useful. Subscribe for more Canva hacks and designs. Thank you for watching.